Hello. Hello, everybody. This very honor for me to be invited to BioKorea 2021 investment fair. I'm Kukjin Lim, president of Proteomtek. Now I will introduce our company, Proteomtek's activity against COVID-19. Protect yourself from the serious infection is a highly specific COVID diagnostic kit and human health monitoring kit. Till today, sorry. This 173 million people suffered from COVID-19 and 3.7 million people have already died and 10,000 people dying every day. Recently, the several vaccine has been developed and urgently vaccinated. Now about 15%, 20 dose means the 2 billion dose means the 15 population are vaccinated now worldwide. So we are hoping that severity of COVID-19 will be reduced. Our company, Proteomtek, has developed a four kind of diagnostic product to prevent COVID-19 pandemic. To check the viral RNA, Xenodia product were developed. To check the viral antigen, COVID check. And checking the virus specific antibody, we have the COVID check IgG and IgM. And another one, to check the individual immune health monitoring, we have COVID check IgG was developed. We have the supply two product to monitor RNA molecular diagnostic kit. One is the COVID-19 virus only, and another one is COVID-19 and the flu influenza together. Xenodia COVID-19 qRT-PCR is the one-step real-time RT-PCR assay kit intended for the qualitative detection of nucleic acid from SARS-CoV-2. It composes of 4-tube enzyme mix and the primer mix and positive control and negative control is very simple designed. And it targets one gene and N gene and E gene of COVID virus. Xenidia COVID-19 RT-PCR kit has the merit of efficacy and the great accuracy. It used the 5 microliter of RNA. A sample prep can detect 10 copies of SARS-CoV-2 gene. In clinical evaluation, Xenidia COVID-19 qRT-PCR shows 100 sensitivity and 100 specificity, and perfectly satisfied FDA and KFDA's criteria. We have another COVID-19 molecular diagnostic kit can detect flu and also COVID-19 together. As you know, COVID-19 and influenza shares the common symptom, fever and cough, and shortness, breath, and body ache. But the treatment, we already have the drug for the influenza, but we didn't have COVID-19. So uh, we need the uh, influenza and SARS-CoV-2 combo kit for etiologic agent. COVID, Genedia, SARS-CoV-2, and flu A, flu B, fast artificial kit is one-step real-time artificial kit for detection nucleic acid from SARS-CoV-2, influenza A, and influenza B together. It targets WRF1 gene and E gene for SARS virus, and M gene for influenza A, and E gene, HA gene for influenza B. All genes were amplified simultaneously in one tube and give the accurate result to come out less than 1 hour. Genedia SARS-CoV-2 flu A, flu B fast Q artificial kit composed also of 4 tubes, and enzyme mix, prime mix, positive and negative control. It is very sensitive. It can detect few copies of a virus. Genedia, in clinical evaluation, Genedia SARS-CoV-2 flu A, flu B, fast Q artificial kit shows 100 sensitivity and 100 of specificity for the 3 virus, and also perfectly satisfy the criteria. Another kit, COVID-19 IgM diagnostic kit, we developed. COVID-19 IgM is the retroflow antibody immunoassay kit intended for the qualitative analysis of SARS-CoV-2 spike protein, specific immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin M, in human serum, plasma sample, and even in whole blood. COVID-19 IgG and IgM kit is a POC test, and therefore it needs no initial cost. It does not need the machine, and takes a few minutes, 15 minutes, and multiple suspected patients can be inspected at once. It can determine the history of infection, now the vaccination also. So many people can be used the antibody response after vaccination. Our COVID-19 IgG IgM kit has separated whole for blood sample and development buffer. Clinical performance in Dongsan Hospital and Daegu shows wonderful efficacy, 96% of sensitivity and 98% of specificity. Overall agreement to PCR result is about 98%. 15 minutes after dropping sample, specific IgM and IgG will be appeared COVID-19 patient. COVID COVID-19 IgG and IgM kit can be useful for immune response monitoring too after vaccination. COVID-19 antigen diagnostic kit. We developed CoviCheck COVID-19 antigen kit. So it's detect the coronavirus nucleocapsid protein in human nasopharyngeal. It can detect 200 TCID of infected virus and nanogram of nucleoprotein of COVID-19. And there is no cross-reactivity against other seasonal coronavirus. And another kit is the immune health monitoring kit, POCT kit. Immune check, IgG, can check the concentration IgG in the body. It uses only 5 microliter of blood. After 20 minutes, you can read your immune level. So if you find the IgG level is too low, you should go to the doctor and try to improve your immune system. For the company overview, ProteomTech was founded in 2000. Proteomics technology based on the research-oriented company. To find the biomarker to therapeutic target of a diagnostic kit, in 2014, allergy multiplex diagnostic kit was launched, and now several dozen of in vitro diagnostic medical devices on the market, including COVID-19. Our main product is allergy diagnostic kit, Protea Allergy Q. It has a very strong point of multiplicity for the patent. And compared to other foreign diagnostic kit, it is 3 times more allergy on the test. So this kit was launched in 2014. The market share is increased rapidly in Korea, now about 45 domestic market share. Another kit is the food IgG, and another kit is TreeCheck. TreeCheck is the novel pregnancy test composed of 3 lines of overcome the false negative problem in high concentration of HCG. All pregnancy tests have 2 lines, have the technical issue of hook effect. TreeCheck is the only one that is free from false negative issue come from hook effect.
So CEO Lim, I'm very sorry to interrupt you, but since we have a time limit, so I really appreciate it if you do the closing comments.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we have many different kinds of patented technology. So all this one is including patent developed. So we want to be a reliable business partner. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And once again, we'd like to thank CEO Kook Jin Lim for his enthusiastic presentation.